doing another fitness video. This is going to be an at-home easy ab workout. It's going to help slim down your abs. Now, you can't do this just by doing 5 minutes abs a day. A lot of it is also other things that you need to get done to get completely slimmed down. Like eating healthy is number one. I know we just had holidays and we ate a lot of crazy stuff. I know I need a detox. Seriously, my skin is taking a beating. I'm gaining weight. It's not the best thing. But now we can get back to our regular healthy diets. And another thing is cardio as well. You need to do more than just a 5-minute ab workout to lose the weight and get slim and toned abs. So, number one, you need to drink lots of water. Do cardio as well. Preferably 10 minutes and preferably before you do this ab workout. So go outside, run. What I'm doing is I'm going to go jump some rope with my weighted jump ropes that I got for Christmas. I'm going to do that for 10 minutes. Get my heart rate going, get me sweating, and then I'm going to come in and do my ab workout. And last, of course, is do your ab workout. 5 minutes a day. It's going to be tough. Maybe you need a rest in between until you get it going, but put your timer for 5 minutes, so you have to switch. Every minute you have to switch the exercise, and if during that minute you have to rest for a second, do that and then go ahead and get back into it until you can do it for 5 minutes. Seriously, it's going to make all the difference. So I hope you guys enjoy this ab workout, and let's get started.
Hey guys, so let's get started with this 5-minute workout. I'm going to put my timer for 1 minute. I'm going to try not to rest in between, and I'm going to try to last for the whole minute. So we're starting out with the basic plank. We're getting on our elbows, we're getting on our feet, we're going to try to keep our back straight, and we're going to hold that position. This is the hardest exercise, that's why we're doing it first, but you can do it. Try not to rest in between. The next exercise is going to be crunchers. You're going to put your legs up in the air and you're going to crunch it for 1 minute. The goal here is to touch your toes. So just keep trying, just keep at it. I know it burns, I know it's hard, but it's going to make you slimmer. The next exercise is elbow plank climbers. So you're basically on your elbows like you were before, on your toes, and you're bringing up your legs like you're climbing a mountain. You're doing this for 30 seconds. And this is an important workout. It does work out your sides really well. Then you're getting up to the basic plank climber. So you're going to get up on your hands, kind of in push-up position, and continue to climb, climb, climb for 30 seconds. If you need water, make sure you take a water break, but try not to take a long water break. Try to do it fast and quick and get back into your 5-minute workout. Next, we're going to do leg raises for a minute. This isn't about speed, don't forget that. So you're going to basically put your hands behind your bum and you're going to lift up your legs and bring them down, but don't let them touch the ground. So this is a little bit difficult, but it's going to get rid of that mommy pouch. Last is side planks, 30 seconds on each side. So you're getting up on your elbows and your feet, and basically in push-up position, but on your side. And you're going to hold this for 30 seconds. Then you're going to switch to the other side, and this is going to work out those love handles. So it's quite important. And that's it. You're done. You did it, guys. I'm so proud of you guys. I hope you enjoyed this 5-minute workout. Don't forget to do your cardio, to drink lots of water, to eat healthy, and all that fun stuff. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe down below. That way you can stay updated with new videos, and I'll talk to you guys on my next one. Bye.
My beautiful ladies. So